Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Garcelle Beauvais and Jamie Foxx have beaten the off-screen romance allegations for the past 26 years, but with their undeniable chemistry. There's no way the two on-screen lovebirds haven't tried to pursue anything more than just friends when the cameras were finished rolling. While Beauvais has adamantly expressed platonic love all throughout their friendship. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star finally told fans what they wanted to hear after years of denying any acts of intimacy by revealing she and Foxx did in fact share one kiss backstage before getting caught by legendary soul singer Gladys night. Beauvais is the newest celebrity to be featured on TV1's uncensored, unscripted series, and in a 15-second Instagram clip posted by TV1 TV. It showed Beauvais discussing her relationship with her Jamie Foxx show co-star. I knew Jamie from In Living Color and our chemistry was through the roof, she said before dropping details surrounding their secret kiss behind the scenes. We did steal a kiss one time backstage. Gladys night came around the corner and she saw us, and I remember being so embarrassed, but that was a one-time thing. Beauvais continued to joke. Hardcore Fancy and Jamie shippers quickly filled up TV1's comment section by fangirling over Beauvais' news. Someone said, OMG, I didn't know I needed this. Someone else said they should have been together in real life. One person said, ain't that much chemistry and only a one-time kiss happened? If a kiss has happened behind the scenes, what stopped the two from pursuing a real-life relationship? In an interview with Access Hollywood, Beauvais explained the reason neither one of them attempted to date each other was out of shared respect for their friendship. I really feel like had we had something back in the day, we wouldn't be the friends that we are now. Back in August, the former co-stars reunited for the premiere of Fox's latest project, Day Shift, and fans began to gush over the pair's photos shared on Instagram. Beauvais, a full uncensored episode will air Sunday, October 16 at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for listening and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.